You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I do appreciate it. I am on another popcorn item here. This happened to be in the, well, if you saw the video where I made the stovetop popcorn, this was in the same cabinet, and I thought, yeah, it's been there a little bit. Let me try it. Uncle Ozgood's microwave popcorn on the cob. So it's in this vacuum sealed plastic bag. And then it does say Uncle Ozgood's microwave popcorn on the cob in green. And then you see a little farmer there with two ears of corn. And it says net weight 2.5 ounces. Pops right off the cob. Then you flip it over and it looks like a little corn on the cob. But it is dried. Now I'm guessing this looks like a bag. So you unfold it. Well, hopefully the instructions are in there. Let us see. I thought it'd be fun to just try it, see if it works, or if it doesn't work, how well it works. Has anybody made stovetop popcorn with my instructions? I have made it probably another 10 times since that video. All right, there we go. So it is, well, how long do you think that is? Hold on a second. It's not a huge corn on the cob. It's only about 5 1/4 inches. And then, yes, there is a bag in here, like a microwave popcorn bag, if you're familiar with that. Now, do not pop before reading microwave popping instructions. After breaking seal on vacuum sack, place cob in lengthwise position in middle of popping sack. Okay, so it's sealed up here, lengthwise. Now, unlike regular microwave popcorn, there is not a bunch of chemicals in here. It looks like you're just doing the corn on the cob. Fold lines. All right. Tightly fold open end of popping sack 3 times on fold lines. I kind of want to do it this way so I can see the lines. 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure that's sealed. Okay, so that's done. Place popping sack in middle of microwave on high setting or 100%. 100%. Set timer for 2 minutes, no longer, and listen carefully. When popping slows to 2 or 3 seconds apart, stop microwave. Carefully handle hot popping sack. Popping creates steam, open away from face. Season popcorn to taste and enjoy. Suggested seasoning, melted butter and salt, garlic salt and Parmesan cheese, seasoning salt, cheddar cheese seasoning. Caution, cob is extremely hot. Allow to cool before handling. Do not leave microwave unattended while popping. Never leave popping bag in microwave oven more than 2 minutes. Overcooking will result in scorching of popcorn and popping sack. Do not reuse popping salt or do not reuse popping sack or cob. Please supervise children when popping Uncle Ozgood's popcorn on the cob. All right, well, let's see what we can do. Let's get this in the microwave and check it out. 2 minutes on high. All right, first things first, I'm going to melt the butter, so that's ready. I'll do that for 1 minute, even though it won't take that long. That's good. All right, let me come back with the popcorn and do that next. All right, 2 minutes. Let's see how this goes. Let's clear that. Hit 2. Okay, 15 seconds, no popping sounds. That's 30 seconds. Haven't heard a pop. It is getting, oh, there we go, first pop. One side of the bag is taller than the other. It's wider. There's wide and there's still skinny. So the cob maybe was closer to that edge. Okay, 45 seconds left. It's still a consistent popping. Oh, the bag opened. Okay, 15 seconds left. I think the popping is slowed down. Let's stop it. Let's see what we have. Okay, so it looks like a nice, somewhat puffy bag. I see popcorn coming out of the end, so let's move it over now and check it out. All right, butter's here. Salt is here. Let us see. Let us be careful. I always pull from the corners. Now, I still see a bunch of kernels on that cob. Let's just get it in here and see what we have. Quite a bit popped, but that looks pretty cool. Now, just the ends, most of the ends did not pop. It's a halfway decent quantity. They're all out of the bag. Here, look at that. That looks like some weird science experiment, doesn't it? So I would say both ends, about an inch, did not pop. So maybe that extra 15 seconds would have made a difference. But I was following the rules. Look at that. You just want to eat it like corn on the cob. Maybe I'll do that. Just for fun. It is hot. All right, so let's get some butter in here. A little bit of salt. Let's save the last of that butter for the cob. A little bit of salt. Here, I want to eat this right off the cob. Had corn on the cob last night. Not like this though. Ooh, look at all that butter. Little salt. I need those little hot things on the end. All right, let's try it. Right off the corn on the cob. It works. My first snack of the day. Actually, the first thing I've eaten all day. Chewed right through it. That was cool. As you can tell, maybe you can't, it is very crispy. Crispy, buttery, and salty. Now, there was no burning on the bag, which is nice. A lot of times with microwave popcorn, you get that lot of grease and oil and it burns. Oh, there's nutritional facts, which I did not show you. Well, I would say overall, it's a success. If I had another one, I would time it differently in the microwave, so make sure I get that extra 15 seconds. Maybe it would pop better. Maybe because it's been in the cabinet for a while, I don't know, but it was pretty much shrunk wrap. It was still fun to do. Hopefully you enjoyed that little oddity of popcorn making. Extremely crispy. If you get a chance, I'll put a link to the popcorn playlist in the comments section and the description. And if you can click on that and watch a few more videos, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.